Yes, what is up everybody? This is Kunai and welcome back to this channel, and thank you so much for all the support that you guys are giving me, and I am so excited. We are moving very well and I am enjoying my comments, and you guys, you're doing great. Thank you for your support, and if you're new, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and we'll be giving you more and more news that is happening in and around Zimbabwe. So today we are talking about Enzo Aishau again. Enzo Aishau, a few days ago or a few weeks ago, Papa Chifambanye is now under new management. And then surprisingly or interestingly, a few days ago, Prophet Passion, though I am now, everybody knows that if you've been following it, Prophet Passion Chifambana Enzo. Then the Baba put a video that was Nezuru, I think. Like he was saying to the court, like and that one is quite interesting, and some of you guys, you gave us your thinking, your thoughts on what is happening. Contract, it's a binding contract, and some are saying no, so it's quite interesting. But what is happening now is Enzo Aishau has now been signed. And it's auto sign that was some few days ago. He goes, no, he's been signed. And according to a video that I saw this morning, there's going to be an official signing or an official signing ceremony that is going to be happening, I think, on Thursday, and it's going to be Pamiku's Hotel, right? And you need to understand one thing: the guys who are now managing Enzo Aishau, Vane big, like big rare Prophet Passion now one wacho to daiso and is so I'm still doing more and more research to find out who is probably richer than the other, but this guy is rich. Alright, I will tell you more about him in another video. But what is happening nowadays? I don't know. I think I can say Enzo Aishau ane nyasha. Ane grace. There are people who has got money. People of good money, which is something that is good, because we also have some ghetto youths who are or sponsor, right? And that also brings me to another issue. Levels. I saw a certain video as well where Levels Enzo Aishau atiskuruisana, and we are not in a fight, because there are some people who believe that probably Enzo the choose sport nana Levels nana and also Enzo Aishau has not said, he hasn't said that yet if he's gonna say it, but we haven't heard where Enzo akatara ndakabirwa mari or ndakajikirwa mari ne choose sport or nana Levels or na Prophet Passion. And what I can say is, I think that shows good. I don't know, Enzo Aishau is someone who is wise, because he didn't say that, he didn't say anything bad about Prophet Passion so far. He hasn't said anything bad. If you know something that he said bad about Prophet Passion, please let me know what you think in the comments box, or let me know what he said in the comments box. But in as much as you are concerned, he hasn't said anything bad about Prophet Passion, about Enzo, about Levels, about Chill Sport, right? So Anzina Levels atina ana kubva zvakashata, akabva zvakanaka, takatonyatsotaurana guys pane mafaceup down designer, which is good, and then we said that's fine, because Levels angashara it's a good thing kuti we have people who are supporting my youths, who are supporting my ghetto youths. It's a good thing. That is what he was saying. He was actually supporting it. He was saying because support my ghetto youths, and he was saying who are not doing anything. That is what he said. He said my ghetto youth. Obviously we can't tell anybody this way. After all, guys, you do what you want with it. I don't know. So he was saying Prophet Passion, he has been doing a great job, and ghetto youth Prophet Passion, but Prophet Passion is actually doing a great work in helping my ghetto youth. And Prophet Passion warotobatsira maghetto youth. So the fact yekuti kwazoyo futi munhu achitara kubatsira futi mughetto youth, it's a good thing. And also Prophet Passion is not just helping, according to what he was saying, he was not just helping Enzo Aishau, he's been helping quite a number of artists And so he's actually encouraging one Mario, if you can, please feel free to help. Even if you're watching this video, if you're anywhere in the world, even in Zimbabwe, if you've got your money, you can come and support Mageto Youth Anengachimba, because we want to try as much as you can to get Mageto Youth Edu on the international scene. Speaking of that as well, there's one of the guys who are managing Enzo Aisha, and he was saying Enzo Aisha is going to be having 1 million followers. He's going to be one of the first Zimbabweans to get 1 million followers. And he was saying you can screenshot this video, and we are going to make sure that we do everything we can, which is a good thing, because it's not about Enzo Aisha only. It's about Enzo Aisha making it. Enzo Aisha akarova akapusha akata 1 million followers is good for us as Zimbabwe. It's good for our artists as well, and it's a good thing. So we are happy with what is happening. I don't know, what do you think? Do you think Wananemari should be helping Mageto Youth, or they can just use Maria Ozanona? They are not obliged to help anybody, not just Mageto Youth, but they are not obliged to help anybody. I don't know, which Maria Ozanona, because Maria Kuneta Kwan, and they can only one. I don't know. So guys, this is what is happening. This is the update so far. We are going to have an official signing ceremony, Enzo Aisha and T-Mark Promotions, and that is going to be on Thursday, according to the video that I saw. And also Enzo Aisha has levels, and also levels at Enzo Aisha, because Enzo Aisha hasn't said anything bad about Q Sport, about levels, about Profit Passion. It's just that Profit Passion do an Enzo Aisha. So if that is the case, we are going to have some kind of interesting issues that are going to be happening, because Profit Passion, guys, everybody knows that. Even though some people are saying Maria fake, we are going to be seeing that. And also we have T-Mark Productions. These guys are one big cherry. I'm gonna do a video, you will see it very soon, a video explaining to you about T-Mark. But one of the things that I know is the guy is very rich, and he is going to, in the event of Profit Passion, and obviously Enzo anenga side. So it's going to be interesting. We are going to be seeing, we will be updating you as usual. I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you think in the comments box about what is happening to Enzo Aisha.